fuck what I got. Come on, hey, 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 I've been doing this shit before.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, finally got the head done up. Today we're gonna go take the car to the dealership to get the new unit installed, the Uconnect. So we're on our way there, and hopefully I don't go through the problems that I went through with the one that happened there previously. As you guys know, what it was doing, it was freezing up. So I would play my music or whatever, and then the whole system would just freeze, then it would cut off, and then it would reboot itself. And it's been doing that, man, for the past, I believe like the past 5 or 6 months. A lot of people have been having issues with these Uconnect. I don't know if it's the update or what. You know what I'm saying? It's making that's causing it to do it, but hopefully we'll get it fixed today. They just went ahead and just ordered me a whole new unit. They were going to try to do a software update, but the guy was like, you know what? Just cancel that whole problem. We're just going to switch out the whole unit. So we're on our way there. It's early. Oh yeah, happy Father's Day to all the guys out there, man, who with kids or who's fulfilling that father role for, you know what I'm saying, another man or whatever the case may be. Happy Father's Day, man. You guys deserve it. Enjoy your day, you know, and enjoy the kids, man. So let's get rolling. As you can see, it's early morning, so they packed. Hopefully they can get me in and out no more than 2, maybe 3 hours. But we shall see. You know, I know it's just popping this unit out, swapping, replacing. But if you got all these cars in for like oil changes and stuff like that, it's gonna take a while. So we shall see. And while I'm here, you know, I'm gonna see if they can do a front wheel alignment. Well, hell, all around alignment. You know what I'm saying? Because I just put these new tires on. So I'm gonna see if they can do that for me within the time that they switching out the unit. If it's gonna take longer than that, you know, I just have to wait till another day. But I'll see if they can do it for me, man. Because you know, switching out these tires and stuff like that, you do need to get your wheels aligned. You know, so you know, we shall see. First thing to cover, all right, big wheels, 24. This thing's nice. It's like a 2020. And the wheels are nice. Seats are nice too. See what they got. I think this was here last time I came. Porsche. But I did see this one. Damn it.
Morning.
Look at those seats, man.
Yes. Well, yes. Appreciate it.
Nice. Overpriced, but they're still nice. Damn thing's about the same size as my slingshot. Like the red eye, moonroof and everything. Not sure what year. Might be a 2020 because I think with the 2021s they put the SRT on the brakes. I could be wrong with the challenges. I know for the Chargers that's what they did, but it doesn't have any paperwork, so can't really say. Can't really tell. This thing's clean though. These wide bodies, man, they hit different, man. Wide bodies hit different. wide body over here. Scatpack. It's already been sold. This one already sold. Got the whole package, man. Got the moon roof. Those seats, man. Woo. Look at these seats. I want to open the door because I just bought it. Was it the red Alcantara? Those seats are nasty. This one might have been customized. Look at those wheels, man. I don't know with the wide bodies, man. To me, it's like I don't think they need to be lowered. Like it already looks good as is. You know what I'm saying? Some people are wrong. Me personally, I don't think it needs to be lowered. I mean, there's a lot of wheel gap, but yeah, there is a lot of wheel gap. I wouldn't lower it because I would go like 22s. You know what I'm saying? A nice 22 by like 11 and a half or 12. But the stock wheels are still good. You'll see a thick setup like this, man. Especially on the sedan. Like that. Congratulations to whoever got it. Yeah, I came out to see what new cars they got. I see some, I see mostly a lot of Jeeps. You look down, this whole right side is pretty much like all Jeep Wranglers. On this side is mostly besides the blue one. It's mostly all Jeep Cherokees. So I'm not gonna get too much footage on that, but I'll walk around to see if I find anything else. Yeah, like I said, it's a lot of Jeeps, and on this side look like a lot of Ram trucks. So from last time I was here, they moved a lot of stuff around. Well, that's still back there in the corner, that Challenger. But other than that, all of this is all changed up. So it's not too much footage. I mean, they have a huge inventory, you know, but oh, see this one here? I didn't even see this right here. I walk right past it. Wide body, blue, Scatpack. I didn't even see this one here. It's a 2020. I don't know the name for the Dodge Blue. It kind of look, you know, to me it's an electric blue. They have so many different names and stuff, all these blues and reds, and yeah, it's a 2020. I think it's been sitting here for a while. Kind of dirty. It's great though. You got a RT here. RT. But these are all Ram trucks. So, see if we can go outside and get some more footage. Go, well, upstairs. Because on the roof, that's when they had the main inventory. So we'll check that out. See the shaker right here. RT. Heading outside. All right. Outside and whew. Yeah, big inventory just like last time. Looking for something that sticks out. I don't see anything. See, what's this back here? Okay, okay, it's an RT. That's a Mercedes back there. I'm not gonna walk the whole lot like I did last time. It's a Corvette. Cause they just called me and told me that my vehicle is ready. This is about 2 hours after I got here. So finally decided to start recording. I was actually downstairs doing some work. I still gotta work. This is Monday morning, so it's the day after Father's Day. Had to get some work done before I can walk the lot. But you guys see, they still got a pretty decent inventory. I always like these. I remember when they first came out. I mean, those brakes are different. I mean, those are, wow. I've never seen brakes like that. Oh, wow. Yeah, those brakes are different, man. Audi, man. I wonder how that rides with those brakes being like that. I think that blue one was there last time I was here. See how they move these vehicles? That's pretty wild. You pretty much pushed up with your hand, I think. I think that's how those work. Just slide them around. They're on all 4 tires. But yeah, this is the inventory. Jerry Ulm of Tampa Bay. I'm gonna head down so I can see if everything's good to go with my car. Hopefully it fixed the problem. We shall see. I have no idea what the fuck this is. But, wow. Yeah. They did the wide body flares, hood scoop. I have no idea what's all going on with this. I don't even know what the fuck it is. Alright. Wow. Someone's personal vehicle. It's a Dodge, but what exactly? I have no idea. But keep my opinions to myself. See, the thing is, I have a screen protector over my previous unit. So once they bring the unit up, I'll see if they actually replaced it. Because we know that, sometimes they say they'll replace something, they actually don't. But I actually have a screen, like a clear screen protector over my radio, well, supposedly my old radio. So we'll see if they actually replaced it. So he should be pulling the car around now. So they did put a new unit in. They mess up anything else. I was just wondering about my carbon fiber pieces and all that stuff. Make sure that they didn't crack the stuff. But yeah, they put a new unit in. So now I have to go back through and redo performance pages and all that stuff. So I got to set up the Bluetooth, all my settings, and I have to redo all that. So I had to make sure because my stuff had that cover over it. So, but the clear cover. So everything's good. Hopefully it doesn't mess up. All right, so everything's good to go. When I checked out the inventory and all this stuff, man, and my unit seems to be good for now. You know what I'm saying? We shall see further down the line, but that's why you take this is why you always take your stuff back to the dealership. So the stuff is always covered under warranty. So my system was freezing up and acting up. Went back, they documented everything, gave me a new unit. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully I shouldn't have any more problems, but further down the line, if I do, I don't care if my vehicle runs out of warranty, which it won't. I always keep extended warranty on my vehicle for the life that I have it. And they'll be able to trace it back and make sure, to see that it actually got done. So like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Let me guys know what you think. Once again, you know, if you dislike it, let me know why. You know, if not, then, you know, to me, these are great videos. You know what I'm saying? It's giving everybody the insight on the things that goes on with the Dodge Chargers and also the slingshot. So have a blessed day. All right?